Let's move further. And the next file is going to be having the stuff related to the splice 29.js. So here var users equals to, let's copy this, borrow it. Okay, so now I was about to use the splice, and here I'm taking users dot splice. See, it's written here, it's already coming in the VS Code even. Removes elements from an array and if necessary, insert new elements in the place, returning the deleted element. Okay, there are different parameters you can see here. It's already written, which is on the right hand side, prompt is coming. So start parameter, delete parameter, and returns. Delete count number of elements. We will be understanding it as I will be giving the example. Suppose here I'm just taking 1 comma 2 comma and I'm giving here hi. Okay, hi is one word in this case. So I have taken that and let's run it. So here what is happening, you can see the complete array firstly returning because on the line number 3 we have done that. Then we have done what, 1 comma 2 and hi. So you can see that 1 and 2 is here, like it was 1 and 2 only, that's why 1 comma 2 without any elements in between. So this is replaced by this hi, you can see. So this is the functioning of splice, deleting the original values and replacing it with the latest one. If it was 1 comma 3, so here you can see 1 comma 3 means 1 2 3. It is a range which we are giving here, it's a range. So it is just replacing. And in case I want to add on more into it, suppose 1 comma 3 is fine and I'm taking here hi and y both. Okay, two values. So here we go. And you can see both the values are getting inserted and it is like replacing the 1 to 3 values. Okay, so simply this way you can see it's working.